too much. Please, can you do something about it?
You say it's not our fault. The price of things has skyrocketed in the market. It's affecting everyone generally.
I know, Doctor, but there must be something you can do about this. Please, like I said earlier, I'm not her husband. He travels, not around. I'm just a concerned citizen trying to save a life.
Well, you've done so well. But you see, we are not running a charity organization here. Meet the cashier to 2-year discount of 10,000 naira. That's all I can do for you.
It's fine. Thank you. Thank you.
How did it go?
He only discounted 10,000 naira.
God. So, how do I raise the money now?
How do you raise the money? Emeka will send it now. He will send it.
Are you sure?
Hold on. Enya, your wife has been discharged and we have a balance of 80,000 naira. So you have my account, so just send it so we can leave this place right now.
I just wish there's a way I'll settle this bill without involving Chukwuemeka. I just wish, man, I have the back.
Involving Chukwuemeka? What are you saying? He needs to be involved. He put you through all this. A man that knows how to climb a lady and impregnate her should also know how to pay hospital bills. Make her more down, he will send the money. He will send it. Hope you're feeling better right now.
What do you call that?
You're fine. Send it.
Susanna, please, Biko. If you can listen to me, take these children back to their father's house. Mama, Eunice, what are you even begging me for? To take my children back to a place where we are not loved, cared for, or valued? Is that what you're telling me? Of course we live in a mansion, but we don't wear good clothes. We don't eat good food. My husband don't care about me or my children. I had already given up on that relationship or marriage. He should go ahead with the love of his life. They can continue. You see, for me, no. I'd rather be in the bush than be in a mansion where my husband is not treating me right.
Susanna, have you considered the baby in your womb?
Exactly. I understand. Don't worry. I will give birth and take care of my child. For my children, I'll make sure they are comfortable.
You say she's not your spec of a woman. You say she's too low for your liking. You see her as a mistake that you make every day.
She never come. Nobody will come.
Since the time she left?
Nobody don't come. All of you.
Wow. It's all right. Oh my goodness. What? Is this exactly how it feels to be free? Wow. I feel free. this? Imagine living with someone you have no iota of love for. Someone you don't feel anything for. But you have no choice than to live with her because simply she helped you in the past. God, that was a trying time for me. Well, at the moment, it's time to bring in the one I love. Place that picture somewhere. Okay, I'll get rid of this picture, then I'll put her picture here. I feel good. I feel like a birthday. Feel good. Feel good. I gotta move. Boom, 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 boom. Feel good. Feel good. Oh, 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 feel good. Oh, 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 feel good. Bum, 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 bum. Oh, I feel good. I feel like a birthday. Feel good. Feel good. I gotta bless you. Bum, 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 bum.
I be happening, baby. Take a good look at me. So beautiful, not ready to be caged. All I need now money. I know Choron feature if you fall in I'm allergic to poverty. I be fine girl, ready to cash out anytime. I know they talk to poor men. I be fine girl, ready to cash out anytime. If you show up, I trap you. I be fine girl, ready to cash out.
Never been in love like this. Babe, take this. For this is a symbol of my unending love for you. Come the rain, the sun, and the moon, I shall spend my entire life with you. Love is not that beautiful until you came my path.
I need, I take get some. I be fine, get some. Ready to cash out anytime. I be correct.
Charlie. Charlie. You be my shame. Thank you for this. I enjoyed everything.
I know, right? Sweetheart, I told you you're gonna like it.
I know, right?
You get really where you like it.
I turned my head upside down. Try.
Sweetheart, come to think of it, what if Alaji finds out?
Leave it. Alaji is not even my problem. Alaji is far away in Abuja, so he won't even find out anything. My main problem is Emeka. Emeka is that guy stalks me. That guy is stalking me. Like, I don't know what to do with that guy.
Are you talking about the same Emeka that got you that car?
Yes. Emeka is in love with me. In fact, he wants to marry me.
Then, that's jackpot. He wants to marry you, right? See what we're going to do. Accept his proposal. Are you listening to me? Are you listening to me? Babe, are you listening to me?
Yes. I'm listening. I'm just...
Wait, accept his proposal. That way, he's going to bring you into his life. You will now have access to his bank details, his documents, his properties, everything that belongs to him. Now, the next step you do is to follow my plan, which is what? To kill him, then you fly away out of the country. That way, you're going to make enough money out of him. I'm telling you the truth.
I should... Well,
I don't need to wait for him to even for us to get married. I can move into his house. After all, the wife and the kids no longer lives in the house. So it's just for me to initiate the plan when he comes back this weekend. And we start from there.
You have a point there. You have a point there. But see how we're going to do it. Before all this plan is going to gazette, we're going to make plans for your passport to be ready. So once you key him, once you execute him, you fly him out of the country. But then, as the master plan of this game, now this game that we're going to do between the both of us, as a master planner, I'm going to have 20% of anything you get out of him. Just 20%.
20% is too much. Do 10%. 10% is okay.
What's too much? Just 20% out of everything you're going to get out of him. Do you know how rich that guy is? 20%. They do.
Okay. 20% is fine. I'll give you 20%. So all you need to do is draw the plan, prepare whatever needs to be in place, and I'll do the rest.
Alright. See, I don't trust you. If I'm coming tomorrow, I'm going to bring an agreement between the both of us so that if you start misbehaving, I'll hold you to it.
Agreement, quoi?
I'm going to bring agreement form for us to sign. Do you accept or not?
You want me to kill Emeka? To take his property?
I should get the agreement form, right?
Okay.
Alright, now let's finish for
What are we finishing? Charlie, you didn't lock my door when you came in earlier.
How was I?
Charlie? Who left this here?
Engagement ring and a flower. Were you expecting anyone?
Emeka. Hey God. That means he heard everything we discussed inside. Hey. Oh my goodness. Oh. Emeka was coming to engage me. He knows I like surprises.
See, you can't be very sure about this, okay? Just calm down, right?
I can't be sure about what? It's only Emeka that would have done this. You're telling me I can't be sure about it. Please. Because of 5 minutes love making, I have messed my chances up. If you had locked the door, maybe this wouldn't have happened.
I was high.
Please excuse me.
Babe, I was high now. Can you calm down, please?
I be happening, baby. Take a good look at me. So beautiful, not ready to be kissed.
Young lady, who is the owner of this car?
What's going on here? What is it? This is my car.
Answer him.
This is my car. I've been using it for months now. My boyfriend bought me this car, please. Officer, don't embarrass me.
This car is striking by the owner at this point. Can you follow us to the station?
No, I can't follow you to the station. I have been driving this car for the past 4 months. And I own the car.
Will nobody dispute you?
Okay. Just give me a few minutes. Let me call my boyfriend, please. Babe, pick up this call. It's just hold on, please. I think he's busy. He's gonna pick the call. Switch. Officer, just give me time, eh? He's busy at the office. He will pick the call. But just hold on. Just hold on. This guy is mine. So I don't know where the misconception came from. It's mine.
Get in, let us go to the station.
Oh, officer, just...
Get in, let us go to the station.
Officer, hold on now.
Get in, let us go to the station.
Stop embarrassing me.
Enter the car, let's go to the station. Get here.
Okay. This guy is not a stolen car. Eh? Officer, it's not a stolen car.
Let's go to the station.
I be happening, baby. Take a look at me. So beautiful. Not ready to be caged. All I need now money. I know Choron feature if you fall in
Girls. Hey. Wait. Could it be that she has been driving a stolen car?
Who knows?
None of the above. I know what played out.
What was that?
The boyfriend that bought her this car came with a flower and an engagement ring. He said that she was with another man. So he got angry and called those policemen. He left.
Hey! Grandma wants to use style and collect back his car.
She play now.
Who wants to lose on both sides?
Oh wow, all these girls. Tire for not tire for me.
Hey! That's where this my eye no go see.
They play. I beg you, move away.
God. So this is how I would have used my own hands to buy my death. I don't know why you love me this way. Father in heaven, can I even thank you enough for loving me the way you do? You have always been there for me. Even when my mother died, you sent Susanna into my life. I didn't feel the gap that my mother's death could have created because you already sent a substitute into my life. Even when death came knocking, when death came calling, you used the same Susanna to save my life. God, please. I am sorry.
Emeka. I'm here.
Oh, Susanna. Hey.
You're getting weaker and weaker every day. Are you sure you're all right?
Yeah, I'm fine. Sit down. Sit down.
Okay.
I am fine. Do you know what it means to lose the only person in your life? My mother is the only family I had ever since my father died. No uncle, no aunt, not even siblings, no one.
But you know me now, eh? And I'm here for you. I'm here for you now.
Thank you. Thank you, okay?
Anyway, I brought this food for you.
Food?
Yes. So you can get some strength, eh?
Okay, thank you. Boss, just keep it. Let me go eat myself, okay? I'm right back. Just keep the food.
Emeka! Wake up, stand up. Hey! What's all this now? Emeka, stand up! Hey! How can I call this? Make us stand up now. Somebody help! Somebody help me! Somebody help me! Make us please stand up. No. Make us stand up! Somebody help me! Somebody help me! Mama, you need to stand up!
You need to call any of your parents. I would like to talk with them.
Hey, Doctor, tell me what the problem is. I'm the one to take care of everything now.
You want to do what?
To take care of everything, yes, me.
I don't understand. How can a small girl like you be the one to take care of everything? Where are your parents?
Doctor, this question is a long story, Doctor. Doctor, this is a long story. Somebody is dying here, Doctor.
Actually, he needs blood transfusion. I don't know what happened. I don't know why he ran shortage of blood. As I speak to you now, his blood is as low as 25%.
Hey.
And if you are unable to carry out this blood transfusion in the next 24 hours, it might be very catastrophic.
Hey, Doctor. Hey, what will I do now? Hey, Doctor, they say my blood can donate to everybody now. Hey, check if I have enough blood so you can take some blood from me, eh?
Okay, you are O positive.
Yes, Doctor.
Okay, then the nurse will have to run some tests on you. If you are good, like you said, you're O positive, then I think we have to start from there.
Hey, Doctor, call the nurse now. Now, let's start this immediately, eh? Where's the nurse?
Don't worry, the nurse will attend to me. She'll be with you shortly.
You say she's not your spec of a woman. You say she's too low for your liking. You see her as a mistake that you make every day. Think again. What about the sacrifice that she made for you? What about the huge price that she
God, will you ever forgive me? Look at how He sent an angel into my life. Someone who was ready to sacrifice everything she has just to make sure that I'm fine. I abused this very angel God brought into my life and pursued after death that would have ended up killing me one day. Ever since I started going out with this girl called Doris, it has been from one spending to another spending to another spending, and so on and so forth. She has never given me anything except her body, and that's the only thing that she brings to the table. I was so blind to see the handwritings on the wall. So blind.
God, please forgive me. Forgive me for neglecting the beautiful gift that you brought into my life without any stress. Thank you for sending an angel into my life. Thank you for using that same angel to save me from the hands of death. A woman that would have killed me. My sins are ever before me. I have sinned against you, Father. Give me another chance to fix this. Please, I am sorry.
Why didn't he just come straight and collect his car by himself? Eh? Why the drama? Why the embarrassment? I can't even go back to the hostel because the shame was just too much. Hey! Hey, this girl, but why did you do that? Why did you make such a heinous mistake? You brought a man into your house to do. Why? Why did you open the door? You're a smart girl. Hey, now you fuck up, oh. Honestly, now you fuck up. Do you open the door? Make sure it's here. Eh? You lock the door so that nobody will come in. Mama, open the door. Hey. This is no time for blames. Huh? I know I messed up. I've had too much embarrassment already. Eh? Imagine somebody driving a car, suddenly seen jumping Okada. Mama, this is shameful. It's very, very shameful. Mana, don't you think you should go and beg him? You may decide to beg him, or decide to forgive you because the child guy, you know, he will forgive you. Just try. Mama. It is more than just seeing me with a man. Hey. I knew it. I knew there's something you're not telling me about this situation. I knew it. Hey. Doris. Anyways, the only thing that does not have any solution is death. And the mother, there's no death, yes, right? There must be a way around it. Hey, I must do something about this. I want immediately.
Seriously, I'm not happy. I'm not happy. I went to decide the other day now to make money. I don't know.
Don't kill yourself.
Like, it can't go.
Do the ones that you can do and leave the rest for God. Yes, okay.
What have you come here to do? What are you looking for?
I have not come here to make issues with you people. Please, just hear me out. Please, I beg you.
Look at this one, oh. Look at this one. Listen, I have told my husband not to have anything to ever do with you again. Before you corrupt his mind. Evil communication, they say, corrupts good manners. Stay away from him. Don't ever come here again, Biko. Flock order.
Oh, please, just calm down and hear me out. Just hear what I have to say. The truth of the matter is I have actually sinned against God and against man.
Okay.
In my sins and atrocity, God still proved to me that He loves me so much, not to allow me die untimely. I have wronged my wife and my children, and I have knelt before God Almighty and asked Him for forgiveness. And I promise I will never in any way treat my wife and children bad ever again. Please, I beg you both, let me take my wife and my children back home.
And who says they are here? Your wife and your kids are not here. Go and look for them. They are not here.
So, where could they be?
Why are you asking that stupid question?
Where could they be?
Go and look for them.
Leave here and go look for your family.
They're not here.
Susanna.
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 My friend, leave here.
Susanna, I'm sorry. Please come, let's go.
If I go inside there and be my mic,
Susanna, I know you can hear me.
Susanna is not here. Leave
Susanna, come, let us go. Susanna, pick up. I am sorry. Susanna, pick up. Oh, Susanna, can you hear me?
I'll be fine, girl, ready to cash out anytime. I'll be fine, girl, ready to cash out anytime. Maintenance be costly. I'll be fine, girl, ready to cash out
Now from grace to grass. It no shock you. I swear. This one papers breakfast. This one a brunch. I'll break mix to lunch. Okay. Let's go, please.
Hello, Mama. I think I've made up my mind. Yes. I will follow you to that place. Yes, Mama. Okay, Mama. No problem. Alright, Mama.
I don't have a house.
What do you mean you don't have a house? You should come from somewhere.
It's not a house, it's a hut.
A hut? You mean a mud house and a thatch roof?
Yes.
Wait a minute. Do people still dwell in that kind of house in this generation?
That's where I live.
Okay, good. Can you at least take me to this hut?
It's not necessary.
It is necessary.
No.
Listen, our destinies appeared to be the same. Same fate, same life, and even same hope of survival. Okay?
You said she's not your spec of a woman. You said she's too low for your liking. You see her as a mistake that you make every day. Think again. What about the sacrifice that she made for you? What about the huge price that she paid for you? What about the sacrifice that she made for you? Raise your conscience. is your conscience? In your foolishness, you betrayed her love and reality. In your little life, you think you are wise and so smart, but you are digging a grave, an early grave for yourself. Better think twice, lest you lose a gold for a bride. What about the sacrifice that she made for you? What about the huge price that she paid for you? What about the sacrifice that she made for you? Where is your conscience? Where is your conscience?
It's almost finished. Give me water. Go pure water. Why is Emeka calling you? Eh? Why is this useless Emeka calling you? Buy pure water, pure water. Go pure water, go auntie, Alpha. Go pure water. It's all I want to go. You people are rushing me. You people are rushing me. Thank you. What I go. Customer. I'm fine.
Why is she not picking her call? Why is her phone switched off? Why would she switch off her phone? Why? Why would she turn off her phone? Susanna, why would you put your phone off now, please? Where do I even go from here again? How do I get out of this? Gosh, switched off. Susanna, why would your phone be off, Susanna? Please, why would you turn off your phone? I don't even know where I'm going anymore. Where is all this place now? I've never been to this part of this village all my life, but I have to do this for the first time in search of Susanna.
No, which please now, make I go there, go call who for you. Close your mouth. You get what it's something to do your mouth. Close your mouth. No, you won't tell me, say, now you be happiness and Sonny Papa.
Yes, I am their father.
How now? How? You not possible, sir. See the kind of way they drive. How? You not possible. Not be happiness. They take uniform. You be that Papa.
Please, whatever grudge you owe against me as their
father.
Father,
you don't know what they do you.
Just call them. I am their father, believe me.
Happiness, why I know that they beg. If they come school safe, if they see that all that shit they eat, they do longer throat. So can't I say, I mean they buy biscuit they give them. They go there so can't I so reach evening. If their mama come back, come carry them. To even pay school fees safe, now problem. So can't I say they go drive them like how many times before she come beg. You cut it like almost 1 month before they come pay the money small. You carry motor come. Say that you be their papa. What is your mission? No, tell me, no, talk to me. What is your mission? Okay, the season don't reach.
You know now, all the ritualists say don't Shabi. See, as I see you like this now, if you not come out, if I will call police, I go first shout, make I shout.
You don't have to do that now, please, my brother, please.
Ritual!
Whatever. It's okay.
Ritual!
No, I'm leaving.
Mark.
It's okay, I'm going.
No, Chris. No, see you. No, smoke. No. Ah. Oh. See this one, no. Ritualist. Before you walk kidnap, that is not rich. I'm their father. So their father go kill you. Let them come for work. No, that's my Mom, Daddy is here.
What are you doing here?
I am sorry. Forgive me. Please.
How did you find us here?
I have waited patiently. I've been training you from the time you picked the children from the school. Obi, please, forgive me. Biko.
You must be very stupid. You must think your useless sorry mean anything to me at this point in time. I don't care about you. I don't care about your love. Okay, for love, Rosemia. If you know what is good for your miserable life, take your car and leave this place immediately. I will tell them that you're kidnappers and you know what that will be to you.
I have offended you and I have offended God Almighty.
Please. Let's go inside.
Obi, don't do this.
Don't touch me.
Please, find a place in your heart to forgive me. Please. Please. Please don't. Obi, please. Obi, please. Oh, please, let's go back home. My life is empty without you. Please, I beg you, I am sorry. I swear I will treat you better than I've done in the past. I will never let that happen again in our home. I'm very sorry, please. I am a changed man, I swear I've changed. I've changed, please, I beg you, please come. I am sorry. Bobby Biko, I have changed, please. Please come, let's go back to our home.
Jesus Christ. Emeka, what are you doing here by this time of the night?
Sorry. I thought that there's no way I would live here without you. I can't go back to my normal life if I don't get your forgiveness. That's why I decided to stay back away from you.
That's why you decided to stay here at this time of the night, outside here? What if snake or any of these creepers bites you?
At this point in time of my life, safety doesn't mean anything to me. I mean, what is life without your existence in me?
I'm forgiving you. You can go. You can start going back to your house, please. Just go. I'm forgiving you.
There is no way you can go back to the house without you and the children. I can't leave you people here. I can't even spend the night.
Emeka, what exactly do you want?
I want you and the children.
You don't want me. You said it to my face that you don't love me. You told me you do not have any iota of feelings for me.
I am sorry for everything I've said wrong to you before now. I want you and the kids back to my life, please. I was mistaken at that point. I just realized the gift that you have been in my life. See, God used you to bless me. I was so blind. I don't know what I was doing. Please forgive me, please. I want you so badly in my life. You are a blessing to me. We are meant to be together as man and wife. I was so blinded. I was deluded by the situation. Please. Obi,
please go back to your girlfriend. We are not interested.
Obi, please. Obi, please. I beg of you.
Leave me alone.
Please forgive me. I am a changed man. Please find a place in your heart to forgive me. Please. Please forgive me, Obi, because you don't forgive me. Please forgive me.
You started begging me again.
Please.
This is what you always do. Allow me to go. You don't love me. You don't want to treat me right. Each time I leave, you come begging, crying. When I come back to you, you continue maltreating me. Just let me go.
Obi Biko, I have realized that you're the best thing that ever happened to my existence. Please.
All of a sudden.
Because you love people, please. Please, I am sorry, please. Forgive me, please. I am sorry.
Why are you doing this to me?
I'm sorry.
I'm asking you why you did this to me. Because you know I love you. Because you know I love you, that's why you're haunting me. I'm sorry. When I come back to you, you will start treating me bad again. Don't I deserve to be loved? Why are you treating me like this?
I'm sorry, please. Oh, baby, I'm sorry, please. Please come back.
It's okay, just stand up. You know I cannot stand to see you prostrate for me like this. You know I love you too much. That's why you're taking advantage of my love. Just stand
I'm sorry, please. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, babe. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It's okay. What are you doing with the bags? Bring it.
Our clothes now, our things.
I don't think you'll be needing this anymore. Okay, from here I'm taking you all to a boutique where we're going to shop. From your clothes, your shoes, your bags, everything is going to be brand new. So anything you have anywhere, just forget about it. They're all things of the past. I am buying you people's set of clothes. Everything is going to be brand new. The things I didn't do in the past, from this moment, it will be done to any extent you all want it to be done. Please, Obi, I just want a chance to prove to you that I'm a changed person. I want to rewrite the wrongs that I've done to you, please.
Okay. This is how you've been begging. I'm but it's not a problem.
Obi, trust me. This is not like before. I am a changed man. Across my heart, God gave me a chance to rewrite the wrongs I've done. Please.
Okay, I will see.
Please, let's go to the car. Oh.
Okay. No,
Just leave it. Leave everything. Leave everything. Come. Please come.
Oh, Gugu! Ike, Ori, Afo, Nkwo. What do you want Ogugu to do for you?
Baba, please, I want you to tie this man and help me put him in a spiritual bottle. I want my daughter here to be the one in charge of his life. I want my daughter to say whatever he does in his life. Whatever my daughter says, he must do it. That's what I want you to do for me.
Ogugu! Oh, woo woo! They have made their demands. Drop his picture there. Drop it! Oh, woo woo! Ana Manu. Ana Manu. Have this. Take it. That ointment. You must ensure you make love to him, rubbing that ointment on your private parts. And after the love making, he shall become your puppet and your servant for life.
Baba, me and him, we are not in good terms.
Don't worry, Baba. Baba, don't worry, okay? We are going to do as you said. I think you say you should apply it in a private part before going to...
You have 3 days! Just 3 days to do this assignment. Else the oil will turn up against you.
Baba, don't worry. Thank you so much, Baba. Thank you. We are very grateful.
Go! Oh, boo boo! Oh, boo boo! Oh, boo boo! Ana Manu.
Mama, wait. Mama. Why did you collect that thing from that man? I was trying to explain to him. You did not allow me. Please, I don't want to die now. I do not want to die now, Mama.
I did not allow you to talk to the man because I know you are going to confess negative. What else are you going to tell him?
He caught me in bed with another man. He's angry with me. Hey, I don't even know if I'll be able to convince him to sleep with me. Oh, wait for the children. So I didn't want you to say all those things. I didn't want negativity at all.
Forget this. I told you to relax. Leave it to me. I will do everything and schedule everything, and this man will be with you. Inside the same room and on the same bed and never na baba.
What are you going to do? How?
Well, everything, do you want me to say everything outside? Let's go home. I don't know why you stood me here.
Mama, I need to know if it's something that is possible. And if not, so that we'll go back and meet the man. Please, Mama, tell me.
Okay. It's simple. The man will be going back to Port Harcourt on Monday morning, right?
Yes.
Good. Sunday evening, you are going to go to the man's house. Tell the gate man that you want to see his Oga. Case closed. Go inside. Everything in order.
Mama, the gate man does not know me. I have never been to his house. Never.
I thought you are smart. What is the big deal? If you go to the gate man's post, tell the gate man that you are this man's fiancé. Once he opens the gate for you, if you go inside to see this man, strip yourself naked before he comes out. I know that no man, no matter how angry the man is, will see this contour. He will not be able to resist this contour. And don't go
Mama, but how are you sure that the gate man would allow me to go see him? How are you sure he will open the gate for me to go inside and see him? How are you sure?
Doris,
Mama.
Doris, are you no longer a woman? Use everything within your powers as a woman to make the gate man allow you go see this man. Use your powers as a woman and make the gate man allow you go see the man. I'm tired of all your questions. I want to go home.
Okay, what about the oil that the man gave me? What will I do with it?
That one. You see that oil? You are going to apply it. After applying it, you at home, you now go to see the man. Because it will even make you alert. Knowing very well that I've already applied it, you will do everything to make sure you sleep with that man.
So I will apply inside?
Yep. Inside. Everything.
Okay, Mama.
So let's go home. It should be here under the sun.
I never see you for this place before. I never see you. You never come to this house before.
Yes, I stay with him in Port Harcourt. I don't often come here.
Eh?
Yes. Just tell him it's Doris, his fiancée. Just go and tell him, please.
Fiancée?
Yes.
Ha!
GF!
Madam!
Who's there?
Who's that?
The Moga wife now.
Which wife?
Moga get wife and 2 children don't grow for this house.
Yes, I know he has a wife and 2 kids, but they left a month ago.
Don't be saying then Oga pursue them. Then go, Oga go bring them come back yesterday. Then they ask.
Hey, whoa.
Eh?
Now she they come. They go. Oh, she they come. Madam.
Who is there?
Now one girl, she said she look for Oga, and then I Doris.
Do what?
Doris.
Get out. Where is that stupid girl? Okay, she has gone. See, I don't want to see her here again. Don't you dare. In fact, I'll report you to my husband. Molly!
She just... Hey.
That stupid girl, Doris, is here.
Doris?
That stupid girl, yes, she's here.
Where is she? Where is she?
Ask GF.
GF! Where is she? Where is Doris? Okay, she don't go. You said what? She don't run. Where is Doris? She don't run. She has gone? Where is she? See, let me tell you something. If I see that girl anywhere in this house, I will kill the girl and kill him for opening the gate. Yes, sir. Nonsense. Yes, Oga. Let me see her anywhere around this neighborhood again, and I will deal with you.
My mother has killed me. My mother has killed me. What am I going to do now? And I've rubbed the oil. And the wife is back. I don't know he has brought them back at all. Hey, God. And tomorrow he's going back to Port Harcourt if I don't get to see him. Hey, trouble. I have just one day. One day. One day. But you told me that he sent them away. You told me he sent them away, Kenzie. Mama, yes, he did. Everybody in the village knows that they left the house. The gate man said he suddenly went and brought them back. Doris, Mama, listen to me. You have to go back there. You have to go back there and see that man. Just go back there. Go back there and see that man. How? She's there in the house. Yeah, I don't know. Just find a way to get inside there. You're a woman. Just find a way and get inside the house. And see that man. You need to see that man. Mama, can you hear yourself talk? Yeah, just maybe you should hear yourself. What will I achieve going back to the house when the woman is in the house? What will I achieve? Eh? Oh, I don't even know what I'm saying again. Hey. Mama, I told you. Mama, I told you. I said, let me explain to the native doctor. You refuse. You said, let them do it like that. Shut up. Don't even blame me. Don't even try to blame me at all. If you are not stupid enough to bring a man into your room and leave the door open, we will not be in this mess now. We won't be in this mess. You're a very stupid girl. You just messed everything up. Then by now we'll be planning your surprise now. But no, you have messed everything up. You have messed everything up, stupid girl. Don't blame me. Don't even blame me again. Hey, is this how I'm going to die? Hey. You get like this time. Fine now. Is this I'm going to die? Is this I'm going to die? Hey, God, Mama.
This woman, come on for here. Moga dey inside. See, as he come out, that's what Moga come out. As hear your name, Doris. Hey, that's why Rush come out. It was saying see you. He will kill you. Come on for here.
You need to help me. Take me to him. I need to see him. Please help me. Just take me to him.
Moga say if I open this gate for you, he go kill you, kill me. I love my life.
See,
You need
to help me because I need to make love to him tonight.
Jesus!
Yes! If I don't make love to him, things will spoil.
Hey!
Please take me to him, I beg. Just take me to him.
Where's the body of this guy?
Now.
The guy wish.
Hey, let's go inside.
Where is I doing this?
Let me pass. I want
this guy wish there, body. Look at the come. Hey, why is they inside though?
Stop. See, I want to see Oga. Oga needs to make love to me, I beg.
How now?
Okay, will you help me?
Help me for where?
Maybe you will help me.
Which day your body?
Maybe you should help me.
The fire will go kill.
You help me.
The fire will go.
Come now. Come and help me.
Ah! This guy get wish for body. But God don't get that one chance.
I be happening, baby. Take a good look at me. So beautiful.
Mama,
not ready to be caged.
Emeka, where is Emeka? I'm wet now. Emeka, come.
All I need now money.
I'm wet.
Emeka needs to come. Feature.
Hi.
If you fall in
Come here, Emeka, for me now. I should go.
I'm allergic to poverty. I'll be fine. Ready to cash I know they talk to poor men. I'll be fine, girl. Ready to cash out anytime. If you show up, I trap you. I'll be fine, girl. Ready to cash out anytime.
Please, now, Can you call Emeka for me? I am wet. I'm wet. Emeka needs to sleep with me.
Ready to cash out maintenance.
Who saw Emeka? Please, attention, everybody. Call Emeka for me and tell him Doris is waiting for him. Doris wants to make love. Yeah, she's wet. Yes, call him. Why will I be chasing and looking for Emeka all the time? Whatever
I need, I get some. I'll be fine, get some. Ready to cash out anytime. I be correct on scale. I be fine, girl. Ready to cash out anytime.
Sunny Happiness, where are you guys taking me?
You are the staircase now. Just one leg down, one leg down. Yes, okay, easy. The next one down. Yes. Keep moving. Oh, all right, continue. Oh, no. Come this way. All right, it's okay. Just stand here. So tell me, are you ready for the surprise?
Oh, baby, I'm ready.
Are you ready for the surprise?
Yes.
Bing! This is your new car. That which I have given you from your husband.
Ah! Jesus! I can't believe this! Ah! Thank you so much! Are you serious?
Go in and see your new car.
Oh, this is beautiful. This is amazing. Timo, I love you. Thank you.
Go and see the car with your mom. Take a look at the car. You like it? If you don't like it, I can get other ones for you. Hope you come here.
My love, thank you. Jeff, this is not type of
Jeff, this is, you know what? Let's go ahead and see this.
Jeff, open the gate. We are going out to party. My love, come in. Jeff, open the gate.
You said she's not your spec of a woman. You say she's too low for your liking. You see her as a mistake that you make every day. Think again. What about the sacrifice that she made? that she made for you. Where's your conscience? Where's your conscience? In your foolishness, you betrayed her love.